This is my coffee farm right now. I started them right here. And then I guess about 8 to 12 weeks, somewhere around there, this is what they have done. And this time I'm using this for starters, the garden soil vegetables. And I'm putting a little bit of the food for the plants. That's what you see here. It's the little white specks. Let me see if I can. It's the organic expert all-purpose food. And this right here. This right here. We'll see how they do. We'll see what they do. Right now, I'm in Mississippi, and this is what it looks like. It is mid-June right now, and I intend to put it somewhere in those woods, in the shades. So we'll see how it works. It'll be great if I do. For my friends that watch this, so that coffee, the beans came from Nicaragua. A friend of mine brought them, and they brought it about, I guess, the late part of 2023, and let me show you here. We brought them in a bag like this from Nicaragua. And here are the beans. So I'm going to, some of those I put like 2 or 3 in each little covey here. But I'm thinking about putting like 1 in each one of these. And maybe 2 or 3 on the other side, just to try and see how they do, because so far those did really well, but I don't know, one is kind of it's a gamble. So what do y'all think? Should I just put 1 in each? Should I go ahead and get 2 in each? We'll have to see what's gonna do in a few months. So right now I'm just putting them on, and then I'm gonna press them. Let's see, what do I have here? I'm gonna put 2 in these, 2 each. And these may not be as good anymore since they've been in my bag there for several months now. I don't know. Maybe they're okay since they're dried, and they're supposed to be for this. I don't know. Maybe some of you guys that see it know better. And I'm gonna have to maybe do this one in Spanish also for my Nicaraguan experts, friends that do this for a living. My dad used to help. He was an ecologist, and then he got a specialization in reforesting. So he used to plant all kinds of stuff all the time. But I grew up in the city, and growing up I was in the middle of a big war. So I did not get to learn the traits of the country and growing things. But since I moved to Mississippi, I have done a little bit of growing, garden growing. So I got a lot of these. And then I have another one I'm gonna do. All right. So I'm gonna bury them a little. Some of y'all are probably thinking, no, what is he doing? That's not the right way. Maybe it's not the right way. I don't know. Y'all tell me, teach me. Tell me if I'm doing it the wrong way here, man. I don't know. But I can tell you this. Those ones are doing okay so far. So I don't know. I also did those. I put them in the ground in late spring. Late spring? No, early spring. I put them in April sometime. And right now, like I said, it's mid-June. So, yeah. All right. I'm going to cover that with a little bit more dirt, and then I'll be good to go. All right. We'll see what they do. Y'all have a good day.